Hello. PicID was asked, could you please give us something that runs at the school to do face matching? So maybe you've got security camera footage, you've got a frame and you want to know who the kid is. Maybe you've got a group photo that you need to have rows labeled for the yearbook. We could do this as a web page, but we were asked, could you put it on the principal's computer without installing a program so that when he's done doing the analysis, he can take the drive out, stick it in a locked desk drawer, and have physical security for the data. So sure, in PicID, you see here we have package for client. What I'm going to do is take this little USB key, plug it into the computer. So you see it shows up here as drive G. I say package for client. So I've already trained a couple of schools. I'm going to do this for Central Elementary. There are other videos showing how to create a school and to train it up. Assume that you've already got that part done. What you're doing now is just making this thing that you can give to the principal. So drive G is the USB drive. Your company logo can be attached so that they see it when they run the program. You can have it expire in the future by some number of months. Let's say midsummer is a good time for it to stop working, because then for the new school year they have to come back to you, the studio, to get fresh data and a fresh photography contract. So I just hit OK, and what this does is it creates, if we go here, we can see the process beginning. It's created a private folder and we simply wait for it to finish. So when it's done, you'll notice that the private folder went away. It's still there actually. We're simply hiding hidden files. So you can see it's still there. But in normal operations, you would just give it to the principal exactly like that. They would click on WhoZat, and it would run this little tiny application. And you don't need PicID anymore, of course, because you're now at the school. You'll notice that I didn't install anything. I didn't have to go through the start menu. I just ran it straight off the external drive. There's your company logo. And here are some images. Let's just grab some pictures of kids and drop them in. So what happens is the kids that are known are labeled, and you can see here that this is Taylor and this is Jamie and this is Skylar. And you can scrub around on top here and find the kids, everybody there, and so on. You can also use this to do group photo labeling. If we go up to some groups, and maybe this is a yearbook problem now, you just want to label these kids in the rows that they're in like this. You can copy and paste this information straight into the yearbook software if you like, but when you're done, you simply hit Save Results. You'll be asked where you want to put it, and I'm just going to save it in the Drive G folder again. So this is what was just saved. It's an Excel file, and if I run Excel, what we see is a tab per image, and if we scroll down, we see the names of the kids that we found. And in particular, the group photo, we have third row, second row, front row, just as regular copyable text here, so you could copy and paste that into the yearbook. So that's creating and deploying an installed application for doing face matching. Hope it's useful.